Can you share a moment when you faced a major setback, either professionally or personally, and how you overcame them?
Yeah, I mean, I have like a very recent example to actually answer this question. I mean, so I have always been a little ambitious when it comes to my career because I also knew what I wanted to do, and work was one thing that always kept me engaged. So then I got an on-campus placement. I joined this new company and everything. And I'd always had great aspirations that अब तो यहाँ से स्विच करके यहाँ जाना है, फिर ये करना है, वो करना है. सो आई एम दैट वन पर्सन जिसके दिमाग में हमेशा प्लान रहता है, कि अगर प्लान ए नहीं हुआ तो प्लान बी हो जाएगा. बट देन लाइफ हैपेंस, यू डोंट नो कि कब आपके प्लेट में क्या आ जाए. सो देन आई हैड टू go through a very emotional phase in life. And then for some reason I just felt like I couldn't push myself through into working more or staying away from home, because where I was working, it's a different city and my hometown is a very different city. So then I had to take this very difficult situation of actually leaving my job. And at that point, I have like very good set of friends, and even my family members are very supportive. But when you go out to ask opinions for everyone, it's like mixed opinions. मतलब कोई ये बोल रहा है, कोई वो बोल रहा है, and then it just confuses you all the more कि यार अभी मैं क्या करूं. सो वैसे ही बहुत मिक्स्ड ओपिनियंस आए थे. बहुत लोगों ने बोला था कि ठीक है, यू लिसन, तुम्हें जो जैसे सही लगता है वैसे करो. किसी ने बोला कि नहीं, एट दिस पॉइंट वे यू जस्ट न्यूली रिक्रूटेड इन अ ग्रेट कंपनी, वी डोंट थिंक यू शुड बी लीविंग, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. But then, as I said, that you have to navigate through what you want at that phase and what makes you happy and what is going to sail your boat. So at that point, I think it's very important, coming to the other point as well, when it comes to work life balance, is prioritizing your mental health. And at some point, even if you get pushed back through certain factors in your life, you have to know what that one thing is that is going to make you feel happy and at peace mentally. So you just have to understand what is going to make you happy. And I knew that at that point, my family, my friends, and me staying close to them is that one thing that I needed the most. काम तो चलो ठीक है, अगर आपके पास टैलेंट है, अगर आपके पास पैशन है, तो काम तो आता जाता रहता है, पैसे भी आते जाते रहते हैं. बट आई फील लाइक एट सम पॉइंट व्हाट यू नीड टू गिव इन टू योर सेल्फ इज दैट कॉन्फिडेंस एंड दैट पीस. So, yeah, mental peace over everything, basically. This is my answer to the question.